Iguanas are not meant to eat commercial pellets. They are meant to eat leaves, flowers, fruits, and vegetables, and not just any. Do your research so you feed them correctly. If you're going to give an adult iguana some pellets that are commercial, I grind them up, add water to them, and make a very wet paste, put it in a leaf, roll it up, and then give it to my pet, but only once in a while. Your pet needs full sunshine and has to be able to cool itself down and has to be able to warm itself up. They cannot live without proper overnight temperature, diet, daytime temperature, and full real sun. Bulbs just don't do the same thing. My iguana is 16 years old and will probably make 20. So here I have put it in the leaf, and I'm going to roll this up and feed it to him. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on, eat it. Come on. That's a good boy. Okay, good boy.